Worry about protecting the credit while going through divorce. It is overwhelming. Are you feeling a little bit anxious because you don't know where to start to protect your credit while going through divorce? Here are 3 things that you need to know about to protect your credit. Hi, I'm Allison Miller. Here are 3 major things that you need to know about or do to protect your credit while going through divorce. 1. Creditors, they don't honor divorce decrees. This is an important fact. People think just because their divorce decree states that their spouse is responsible for a specific amount, it's not going to affect their credit. But if your ex-spouse makes a late payment and you're still on that account, it affects your credit. 2. Joint accounts will stay on your credit until they're either paid off or closed. When going through a divorce, you want to understand the difference between being an authorized user or an account holder. If the account you have is opened joint with both of you on the account, then you're both financially responsible for that account. However, if you're an authorized user, you only have the ability to use the account, but you're not financially obligated to pay for it. And lastly, if you're a primary account holder, you are financially responsible for that account. Understanding this will help you in the future regardless of what your divorce decree states. It is in your best interest to obtain a copy of your credit report and contact every creditor on your report. Find out if the account is joint, if you're an authorized user. 3. Keep communication with the creditors. Make sure that all of the creditors are reporting all 3 credit bureaus and have updated your address and you're getting monthly statements. Understanding these 3 items will give you a better opportunity to save your credit from an exceedingly difficult situation. And please, I'm not an attorney or a tax consultant, so please consult the appropriate parties with specific information to your divorce. As always, I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.